Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix Enshrouded game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first solution is try this command only if crash on startup or not launching on startup. First open up the Steam, then just go to your game, then just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now just type here -dx11. Once you type this command, now simply launch your Enshrouded game, then check problem is 6 or not launching, then just type here -tx12. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just type here -d3d11. Now launch the game, check problem is 6 or not. If your game is not launching, then just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Now if your game is still not launching, then just go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still not launching, then just click on the browse option. Here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher, go to its properties, go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck the box and also uncheck the box, and just check the box of administrator, then just click on apply. Now launch the game, check. If your game is still not launching, then just check the box of disable, then click on apply. Now launch the game, check problem is 6 or not. Still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode you are seeing on the top and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on the apply, launch the game, then check problem is 6 or not. Guys, if your game is still not launching, then just make a right click on your taskbar. You will see the task manager, open it, and here go to the startup application and just disable all the background application you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and interfere with the game and causing not launching issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, if your game is still not launching and you are getting the not launch error after all of these solutions, so the next solution that you can try is update your Windows or graphic card drivers. Go to your Windows set, type here the update, open it, and just update your Windows and make sure that your graphic card drivers are also up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Hope one of the solution fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.